Guys, we're going to create an Aweber account and do just the basics of Aweber. I'm going to go to ryanneggy.aweber.com here. Why? Because that's my affiliate link. Although you don't need to use my affiliate link. I'm going to click Get Aweber Free. This is very cool. Before you had to give a credit card, and now they let you try it for free without a credit card. Now, I already have a Aweber account, so I'm going to use an email that I don't have associated with an account. Click Start Growing Today. Now, they let you have up to 500 emails free, I believe, which is a good start. Now, like many of these things, they're going to send you an email to confirm. Okay, and here it is, Aweber Communication. Ryan, your Aweber account is ready. Get started. Your email will look a little bit different than mine. This is an older email service. So you type in your email, put in a password, click Save Password, and they are going to redirect me. See up here, it's working. Now, if they say Pro, $16 a month, billed annually. No, we're going to do the free service, get started for free. And there you have it. They want your name, website or social media, profile. I'm not going to put that for now because I already have this. For category, I usually put in education. And I'm going to click No, I'm new to Aweber. Now this is great because they're going to give you a whole series of tutorials. I'm going to put in my Las Vegas address. Save address, no. Blah, blah, blah. Continue. Now, email requires a physical address. So I'm going to say no, I'm just getting started because this is presumably a new account for you. We're going to click Grow Audience. You could pick any of these, sell product services online. They're going to give you tutorials. Let's just stick with Grow My Audience. What other tools do you use? Well, we're going to use Facebook, WordPress, probably PayPal, YouTube. That's it for now. This is just so they can help you with tutorials later on. Now this dashboard here, you're going to get very familiar with it. Right, now they're going to say welcome you new subscribers, create and publish landing page. Let's just skip that for now. Alright, so that was just a short beginning on how to get your Aweber account set up. As I said, I can probably help you the most with Aweber because I've been using it for quite a long time, but there's all kinds of different options out there. If you're already using something, that's fine. Go ahead and set up your free account, and I will create some more videos on how to do your first email sign up, how to deliver your free bonuses, how to connect it with eJunkie and that type of thing. So this is just a 3 or 4 minutes there. Get this part, do it so you can feel comfortable with it, and then we'll move on. Okay?